Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. आज की video में हम discuss करने जा रहे हैं 4 chapter of 11th class mathematics. Exercise 4.4. Question number 6. Is question में cube roots of unity दिए गए हैं और हम इन roots को use KRK के quadratic equation form करें. मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाना ताकि आप कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छी तरह से आए clear हो जाए, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's take a look at the question. Given question, if omega is a cube root of unity, form an equation whose roots are 2 omega square. Step 1, understanding the cube roots of unity. In mathematics, cube roots of unity are the solutions to the equation. Omega cube is equal to 1. Step 2. The given roots are 2 omega and 2 omega square. Now, we need a quadratic equation with these roots. Step 3. Writing the equation using the roots. To form an equation, when the roots are known, we use the standard formula. X minus root 1 x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Step 4. Expand the equation. Equation co-expand karna. Now, we expand this equation by multiplying the terms. This simplifies to, you will get this equation. It's using the property of cube roots of unity. Cube roots की property को use karna. Since omega cube is equal to 1, we replace omega cube with 1. Next, using sum of cube roots of unity, and we get final equation 3. Thanks for watching.